Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, my kingdom? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the building, in the castle, to do another video for y'all, man. Got another quick pickup. I know everybody probably already seen this. That's probably right. That's cool. But before we get started, hey, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't been subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all the videos that I drop and become part of the kingdom. The kingdom is growing, y'all. The kingdom is growing. And can I do it without y'all? And I greatly appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? So here, y'all see another old package today. You know, my ice cream truck came today. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get into it. But y'all let me know what's going on with y'all, man. Y'all ready for the holidays? If anybody y'all done y'all Christmas shopping? Me, myself, y'all see what my Christmas shopping consists of. But nah, everything's good. Everybody's straight. Y'all know how it is with these special boxes. We're just going ahead and knock this out, man. I like this one. I had to go in order this one in from GOAT. Get my daggone stuff in, man, and I had to complete the collection. So let me get these things out of here. Yeah, man. Y'all see what it is, man. I had to go ahead and get my collection completed. That is really the only reason why I ordered these daggone things. Initially, I'm not gonna lie, my energy was like, I'm not feeling them. But I had to go ahead and do it just to complete the quote unquote Ferrari collection, which is why I did it. But looking over it, man, I mean, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, the leather on here is pretty nice. I would have rather it been, I'd rather it been the leather all the way around instead of having like that quilt on this side. But I'm thinking the quilt is supposed to be like the textile pattern or the quality of the actual Ferrari. But I mean, the leather on here is pretty good. It's pretty decent, pretty smooth. I like it. I mean, it pretty much has the same bottom as the original Ferrari 14, as you guys can see there. So yeah, I mean, a booty shot. Ah, man, the glue on here is bad on 14s, man. But, I mean, it is what it is. It's one of those, do you get, do you not get? What is the decision on it? Me, myself, I was just like, you know what? I have the other 14 Ferraris. Hold on. So right with the other 14 Ferraris. I mean, there's the Ferraris. I mean, what else you gonna do with them? They're rocking 14 Ferraris, man. Maybe that ought to be my thumbnail. Yeah, make that my thumbnail. But I mean, comparing it to the other Ferraris, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, like I was saying. I mean, you had your carbon around there, so it's not as bad. Like I said, the leather is good. And you know, you had your Ferrari right here. So it's not bad. I mean, the tongue is that same quilted right here. So I'm definitely gonna have to hit these up with my sneaker repellent, water and stain repellent. You know, you got your 14 on the back, Jordan on the front of the tongue. It's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. It's red bottom on the floor. Not bad at all, man. Not bad. I just wanted to grab these, man, just to complete the collection. Just drop you guys a quick video real quick, you know, for documentation purposes. Hey, you know, I can go back and look. It's like, yeah, I remember when I grabbed those. But it's not bad at all. This is actually 2, 3, 4, 5. It's my 5th 14 for the year. Yeah, I think it's like my 5th 14 for the year that I've grabbed. So it's crazy because, you know, this is the year of the 4, but 5 14s came out this year. So I got them now. So it is. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these. Did you grab these, or was this one of those ones you was like, I'm good, El Paso? Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys think about the quilt on here. Honestly, I don't know what the heck this is made of. This is suede or what? But I mean, it's quilted, but it may feel like a little suede. But y'all let me know how you feel about it. Comment down below. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please, please, please don't forget that, hey, I'm doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving away 50 bucks, whether it be PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or hey, I can just probably meet you and give it to you. But either way it goes, it's definitely going to get vlogged. Don't forget, comment, subscribe, share the videos. I appreciate everybody that's sharing the videos. Appreciate everybody that's following me on IG. Y'all guys follow me on IG, which is part of the giveaway. So follow those directions. That video is going to be right up here. I'm going to put the video up here, so you make sure you follow the directions for the 500 subscriber giveaway. All right. So to all my friends, to all my family, to all my cousins, aunts, and uncles, make sure that y'all share the video. Happy holidays to everybody, because I don't know if I'm going to do another video. Actually, I am going to do another video before Christmas or right at Christmas or something like that. But anyway, to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.